Alright, back in the bench again. Got a Casio keyboard. It's having some problems. It's some of the keys not working. Most of them are all down here. I think I got one down here. Anyway, time to tear it apart. See if it's something simple to fix. Flip it over. We got a million screws to take out, so that'll be a while. Hopefully it's something simple. Get it going. Wife's taking piano lessons, so she needs a good sounding keyboard, and it'd be kind of hard to play it like this. There, I got that metal panel off the bottom. Basically how it works is these circuit board. I got this circuit board out of here. And it's just contacts for each key. Makes contact here with this. So as soon as you push it down, you just press it on here. So I'm hoping, what I'm trying to do is get this. There's two boards here. There's this one and this one. And maybe just clean these contacts up just to see if maybe that'll help it. They don't look bad at all. They don't look dirty, but of course we'll take a pencil eraser and get those cleaned up a little bit, see if that helps improve it. Well, I think I might have found at least one problem. Looks like it's gotten wet at one point in time and kind of got some corrosion going on. Looks like it might be, it doesn't look that bad, but it'd be enough to gum up the works. I had to I pulled this board out and resoldered because this was corroded as well. So as good as I could, pulled, stripped wires back, resoldered it, put it back together. Clean that one up. Now I just got to get this one all going. It's pretty nasty in there, but at least all the connections actually look pretty good. I might clean those up a little bit. Maybe refill put a little solder on them, but I don't think I really need to. But yeah, just definitely needs to be cleaned up. A couple of solder spots. Looks like rust on them. So hopefully that will take care of the problem. We got most of it all cleaned up for the most part. There was one trace that I found that wasn't really connected. It looks like it was this spot right in here. I think it was just that one trace, but other than that, I mean, even all this has continuity between here and wherever it is it goes. Cleaned up a little bit, but I mean, there's a couple of spots that kind of permanent damage, look like water damage. There's one diode I had to replace, and it looked like I had some, so I just threw a diode in there, and now it's just getting it back together and really hoping that it works. Well, the keyboard isn't looking too good. Basically, it's not even worth repairing. The reason is on this board here. Basically, this is what these boards here. This is what each one of the keys hit. There's small little pads there that make contact, plays a note. Now the problem is because of the moisture damage, there's a lot of broken traces, corroded traces. You can kind of see a little bit there. Basically, there's a lot of these that don't have continuity. Some don't work at all. I thought I'd try and put one wire in there, thinking, just to see how, how it worked. But there's way more than one wire. So, unfortunately, it's just going to get scrapped. There's not a whole lot usable. There's a couple speakers in there. I took the front panel off. Let's see. There's maybe some MIDI connectors. get that focus. There we go. Some MIDI connectors, some audio connectors. Maybe salvage some of that. Maybe some of these capacitors and stuff. And other than that, I mean, there's all kinds of resistors in here, but yeah, I don't think it'd be really worth unsoldering every single one of them. But I'll get what I can out of it, and probably just put the rest of it in the recycle bin for the garbage man to pick up. Oh well, it happens. It looked like it was just all due from moisture damage. So, and a quick update on the frequency counter. Got everything back together, and it works just fine. Hooked it up to the function generator there. Put a signal in there, and it actually is, close enough for what I need it for. So, no need for calibration. But that's the end of this project.